Hello guys, good morning and Jai Hind. Once again I am back to YouTube for uploading a long video on DC generator, that is the working principle of DC generator. It works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Initials are given as EMI, electromagnetic induction. That is, whenever conductor moves in a uniform magnetic field, an EMF is induced in conductor. It is the principle of dynamically induced EMF, and EMF induced is given by BLV sin theta, and directional principle is Fleming's right hand rule, where E small e is given according to dynamically induced EMF is BLV sin theta. B stands for the maximum flux density between the magnetic poles. L is the length of conductor coming in contact with the magnetic flux or the density. V is the velocity or speed of the conductor at what rate it is rotating in the magnetic field. Theta is the angle between the magnetic field as well as the conductor. And directional principle is Fleming's right hand rule can be defined in this way. Hold the forefinger, middle finger and the thumb of right hand mutually at perpendicular to each other. Thumb represents the rotation of the conductor and forefinger associates the direction of the magnetic field, whereas the middle finger shows the voltage induced in the generator. So this is the actual principle of DC generator. That is, when the motion is given from the prime mover, whatever it may be, electric motor or diesel engine, petrol engine, hydraulic engine, whatever it is, used to transfer the mechanical energy in the form of motion to the armature core. It rotates along with the conductors because the conductors are placed in the slots of the armature. Armature is mounted and the shaft is connected to the prime mover. Now the whole system will be in motion, so conductors are cutting the magnetic field. That magnetic field and the conductor, by electromagnetic induction principle, according to Faraday's law, an EMF will be inducing in the conductor, that is of alternating type, which will be collected by the commutator segment through the rope or the lux and converts into direct current, being collected from the carbon stationary brushes kept in the brush holders. They may be connected to the commutator manually or otherwise automatically whenever the power supply is needed, and given to the external circuit for the use. This is actually the principle of working principle of DC generator. Thank you.